Guys, I just hit my first $2,000 day with this high-ticket membership-based affiliate program, and I'm going to show you guys in this video exactly what I did and exactly how I did this. So the specific tool that I've been promoting is called Kartra, but don't worry, I'm actually going to show you a database where you can get access to a ton, basically thousands of different membership-based and passive income affiliate programs. So just to show you quickly, to refresh, to show you that this is my live dashboard and not an edited screenshot or anything like that, you can see my earnings for today was just over $2,080. So now that I've showed you the membership-based program that I've been promoting, I want to show you exactly how I did this in this video. This is probably going to be one of the most valuable free courses on YouTube so far. A lot of people charge hundreds of dollars for information like this. Here it is for free on YouTube. Why? Because affiliate marketing works for me. I don't need to go charge some $2,000 course for this kind of information. Here it is for free on YouTube because the business model works for myself, and you really don't want to miss out on this free training on YouTube if you're very serious about making a lot of money online. But with that being said, guys, if you're new to the channel, make sure to go subscribe down below to my second channel. I'm going to leave a second link in the description to this channel where I'm doing a money giveaway and a course giveaway to every single person that watches my videos on this channel in every single video. So if you want tons of resources and giveaways, make sure to head over to my second channel, Millionaire Mindset Plus. And also, don't forget to go down below to subscribe to my main channel, Millionaire Mindset, where I am posting daily videos on how to make money online, free courses just like this one. So if you want to become an online entrepreneur, work from home, perhaps reach some more freedom, become a little bit more financially loose or free, then definitely go down below and subscribe to this channel with the bell on so that I can actually send you a personal message to your phone or your PC every time I upload a valuable packed course and video just like this one. But without further ado, we're going to hop straight into my PC and get straight into this. And like I showed you my dashboard earlier, guys, I just quickly want to show you that I also do get paid to my PayPal account. So I'm quickly just going to log in. What I'm going to have to do is I'm not going to be able to show my full screen because the thing is there's lots of personal names on my PayPal account that it's not right to reveal that. So you'll see I'm just going to zoom in here on my PayPal balance just to show you. If I refresh my dashboard, this is my live dashboard, and this is earnings that I've withdrawn from Kartra, the affiliate program, to show you that they do pay directly to PayPal, and from here it exchanges to my local bank account. And I'm just showing you this not to flex or anything like that, but just to show you that I am actually getting results from this, and to also give you perhaps a reason to trust me with this video, because to show you that I'm actually taking action with this and with affiliate marketing and making money with this. So if you want to become an affiliate for Kartra, come over to this website, home.kartra.com, scroll down to the bottom over here. You will see there's an affiliate program over here that you can go and join completely for free. And basically how this works is you just sign up here. Let me just come over to the pricing plans. How this works is, let's just work this out. You're going to get 40% every month of whatever plan your client buys. So let's say they purchase the $99 plan, or let's say the $199 plan, that's the one I'm on, times 40%, you're going to get $79.60 every single month. That is passively straight to your account, literally while you sleep. If you sell, let's say, a $499 package times 40%, that's now $199 per client. So if you work this out times 10 people a day is nearly $2,000 a day just in referral commissions, which is how I hit my target today. But if you guys want to view other affiliate programs, what you can do is you can come over to a website called capterra.co.za or .com, come over to software categories, and over here you will find tons of different softwares in over 700 different niches, from baking software to banking software to audit software, audio editing software. And all you do is you just click on one of these. Let's go app building software. And we choose this one over here, Essential Studio. What you do is let's go Essential Studio Affiliate Program. Just click on Google, and over here you can see join our affiliate program for Essential Studio over here. Scroll down to the bottom, or it'll be here, and you can join and earn 20% recurring commissions. So here are tons of websites over here that you can go and use to become affiliate programs for, if you want to go and have a look at other affiliate programs and perhaps promote more than one at the same time to open up multiple streams of income. But I want to show you something really cool. I want to show you how I've been blowing up on TikTok the past while, and how I blew up to this $2,000 in a day. So quickly I want to show you an example of an online entrepreneur and a personal friend that I actually know as well. His name's Victor A. Paredes, very big online entrepreneur, doing very well. TikTok is Victor P Live if you want to go check him out. All he does is he basically does these little 20-second clips on how to make money online. So all he does is for example, will literally take his phone like this. He'll come over to Kartra's homepage over here, and he'll make or put like a little bit of text, and he'll say how to make $200 a day in affiliate commissions, and then he'll record his screen and go sign up to this website for completely free to become an affiliate. And then what he'll do is he'll then come over to say YouTube over here, and then he'll say all you do is go and make a quick YouTube video reviewing this program, title it Kartra review, post it to YouTube. 10 views, 1 sign up is then $40 a month, and 10 signups in a month is an extra $400 a month passive income. So quick little videos like that, that's all it does. And what I suggest is if you want to get influence, just go check out some of these videos. You'll see on my page as well, I do the same thing. So come over to my TikTok over here. I'm just waiting for this to refresh. Let me just reload this. And here you can see I've been posting as well. My last couple of videos, actually one went up to 20k, 3k, 4k, 3k, 3k, 3k. So views have really been going very well on TikTok. It's really blowing up right now in this niche. So I really suggest go onto TikTok, come over to my TikTok and to Victor's TikTok, have a look what we're doing, get influence from that, and that's a great way to start, is grow a TikTok account. And all you do is, if I come on back, you can actually see here, he has a link to his affiliate program. But instead of what I do is, instead of putting a direct affiliate link, I actually put a link to a YouTube video that trains people on Kartra. Then what happens is everybody clicks on this video, watches that video, and then I sign them up to my Kartra affiliate program from there. So that's a great way to go about it. TikTok's completely free. The affiliate program on Kartra is completely free. But I want to show you a quick trick that you can use to blow up and scale your earnings even more. And then, for example, what I would go and do is I would create a landing page like this with Kartra, where I collect emails, I give free training, and that's a great way to build an email list. You'll see over here, if I actually scroll down, people can join a mailing list. Like this will pop up on the screen. They can then join the mailing list, and from there I collect emails and build an email list. And from there I would go and use my 60-day email Seinfeld sequence. So over here I've got 60 emails that I send out every 60 days to promote the Kartra affiliate program. So this email list is what basically got me an extra $500 to $1,000 in a day with the Kartra affiliate program, because now I'm building an email list with over, I think it's about 5,000 people. I can actually show you here. Yes, you can see I currently have 5,991 leads. Now I send to all 5,000 of these leads 60 emails. That's 1 email a day for 60 days promoting the Kartra affiliate program, giving coupons, giving value, telling them stories, and getting them into the program. And that's a great way to make a lot of extra money with this, is email marketing. So Kartra actually has a built-in email campaign where you can create live and an entire automated email sequence that does the work for you. So what I love about email marketing, it's software that is running for you and doing all the hard work for you, and literally printing money for you while you're doing something else. Whether you're chilling, whether you're working on something else, the email marketing and all the emails are being sent out for you, doing all the hard work, making money for you. So that's how this becomes a true passive income strategy. But one thing that I do want to be transparent about, Kartra is a paid tool if you want to try that out, but they do have a free trial. But don't worry, I'm actually going to show you a free alternative tool that you can use on top of this if you don't want to use Kartra. But if you guys want to try out Kartra and get about $5,000 worth of done for you landing pages, done for you email sequences, done for you campaigns and funnels, go to the second link in the description. It's going to take you, it's going to be the second link. The first link in the description is actually a link to my 6-figure drop servicing bootcamp, which teaches you how I make about $700. My best day was over $2,200 drop servicing. That is basically selling high income skills without actually doing the work myself. All I'm doing is the man in the middle, selling these high income skills, transferring the work from my service provider to my client, keeping huge profits in the middle. Very similar to that of drop shipping, but instead of physical products, we're now drop shipping high income skills and rare services that pay way more and much faster. So if you want to check out a free training on that, go to the first link in the description. The second link will be my link to my bonuses on Kartra, all those done for you funnels. The thing is, you don't even have to buy Kartra. All you got to do is join the trial. From there, you'll get an email from me with a login to your private membership area where you can get those bonuses. And if you ever decide to quit Kartra or never even purchase Kartra or have a look at Kartra again, you can always keep those bonuses. They will always be there for free. Otherwise, what you can do is, and this is what I did to get started, I joined a tool called WordPress, which is completely free. So all you do is come over to WordPress.com, click to start your website. You can create a basic landing page. You just got to sign in with your information. Completely free. You don't need to spend a single cent on a WordPress site. You can import done for you templates like this, create a landing page. The money that you make from that, you can then invest into something like Kartra to scale from there with email marketing campaigns and to blow up your earnings from there. And as a quick bonus for you guys, what you should go and do is as well, when you come over to your TikTok, when you've got your TikTok page going, create like a TikTok page in a bit of a niche that's got to do with entrepreneurship or making money online. Like I've got over here, just YouTuber, DM me to learn more. And I've got all my videos here. These are about, I would say, 30-second to 60-second videos. What you actually want to do is something that's also blowing up right now is go and post YouTube shorts. So a YouTube short video, I'll actually show you one of my channels where I posted one. It was this channel here. And over here is one of my YouTube short TikToks that I made. And the thing is with YouTube shorts and making under 1 minute videos that are portrait view, it's completely blowing up right now on TikTok because it is completely blowing up right now on YouTube because it's a new concept. Everyone's trying it. There's a big hype around it. So go and post on your YouTube shorts. So go and post a YouTube shorts over here. And then what you can go and do is in the link in the description of your videos, you can see here is my Kartra bonuses link. So that's how then people get through the Kartra affiliate program. But the thing is, I'm giving a lot of value by giving all of these bonuses. By helping people out as well, giving them a big boost with Kartra, which is something that not a lot of people offer. So you'll see you can go add affiliate links to various different affiliate links in these YouTube short videos and monetize that as well. So now you've got your TikTok monetized, you've got a monetized email list, and you've got a monetized YouTube channel through affiliate marketing. So you can kind of see how already 3 streams of income is already set up with this, just like I am earning. Now I also work on Instagram and Facebook, so that's well over 5 platforms generating me 5 streams of income off social media with affiliate marketing. So you can see how powerful this can become long term. But what I suggest, guys, if you want to go get this free 25-minute training on drop servicing and what exactly I do, you'll actually see the results of one of my biggest drop servicing stores that made over $228,000 in 2020 profits. I actually go and show live results from this store, exactly what's in this bootcamp, how you can get mentored by me, like basically like having me next to you, explaining exactly how I design my drop servicing stores. And for Christmas as well, there's a huge 93% discount on this bootcamp right now. This bootcamp I value to be, you can see all of what's included here, well over $19,000 in value and giveaways, including my done for you drop servicing agency that generated me over $98,000 in 2020. At the end of this bootcamp, I actually give that away for you to go and apply and literally just copy paste to make money online. So this bootcamp, I'm really put everything, this is years of knowledge, information that I've acquired, put into one membership area for you guys, which is now on huge discount for Christmas. So Merry Christmas. Definitely go down below to this first link in the description if you want to go get this free training and check this out. But without further ado, take care and I'll see you on the other side.